This video will cover how to use the Create pipeline tool for photometry and microscopy data. To create a reusable pipeline and chain multiple processing operations, first select the Create pipeline icon, which can be found in the toolbar of the Acquisition Signals tab for photometry or Acquisition Image tab for microscopy. This icon opens a window that contains the available operations, including functions that are not available within the processing toolbar. While the available operations will differ between photometry and microscopy techniques, all the Create pipeline tips in this video are applicable for both data types. For instance, to add an operation to the processing pipeline, select it as so. This will display all the operations parameters on the right. Importantly, the order in which the operations are selected will be the order that they are applied on the data, such that the data from the current tab is the input to the first operation, and the output of the first operation is the input to the next one, and so on. To remove an operation from the processing pipeline, select it as so. Note that some operations cannot be used in combination with others and are grayed out, with specific explanations below in blue. For instance, none of the operations can be applied to the output of find spikes. Once all the operations have been added to the pipeline, the next step is to set the parameters for each operation. Other tutorial videos cover explanations of specific operations like the photometry delta F over F and find spikes. Alternatively, you can use the help icon for quick tips on the specific operations and their parameters. Next, to reuse a processing pipeline from another data file with the same operations and parameters, select the Load Pipeline icon. From this window, you can choose the data file from which the pipeline will be imported. Note that when selecting an operation, it will also load all the operations before it, such that picking the last operation in the pipeline will load them all. This includes specific parameter values used in each operation, which can be adjusted if needed. Selecting Apply will run each operation automatically in the specified order. Each intermediate output will be saved within the data processing folder in the file manager. Now, having processed your data, you can now move to the next step of your data analysis. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to us at support@doriclenses.com.